In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning text mask in Canva, where an image beautifully shines through the text. Whether you're using the free or pro version of Canva, this technique will add a creative flair to your designs. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Canva. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create a Design button. Click it, and you'll be presented with a variety of size options. Choose the size that best fits your project needs. This could be anything from a presentation to an Instagram post, or even a custom size that you've got in mind. This flexibility allows your creativity to flow without boundaries. A quick note: Canva doesn't allow a direct image clipping into standard text, as you might do in more advanced graphic design tools. Instead, we're going to work with letter frames. So let's get those ready. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Elements from this menu. In the search bar at the top, type in letter frames or alphabet frames. What you'll find is an array of photo frames, each shaped like a letter of the alphabet. These will serve as our placeholders where the image will peek through each letter of your word. Go ahead and drag each letter that you need onto your canvas. For instance, if you're spelling out hi, drag the letters H and I individually onto your workspace. Now, it's time to choose the image you want to showcase. You have the option to use a custom image from your computer or select one from Canva's extensive library. If you're going for the latter, click on the Elements tab and use the search bar to find images by theme. Try searching terms like sunset, forest, or sky. The key is finding an image that speaks to the message or mood you want to encapsulate in your design. With your image selected, it's time to bring it into your letters. Simply drag your chosen image into each letter frame. Canva will automatically clip the image inside the letter frame, making the text mask effect possible. If you need to refine the look, double-click on any letter to enter the resize or reposition mode, allowing you to perfectly align your image within each letter. Finally, let's make sure everything is aligned just right. Click on each letter frame while holding down the Shift key. This will let you select multiple frames at once. Now, use the Position tool located in the top right corner of your canvas to align the letters. You can choose to line them up horizontally or center them depending on what looks best for your design. And there you have it! You've mastered the art of text masking using Canva's letter frames. This technique is a simple yet powerful way to add dimension and interest to your designs. Whether it's for social media posts, presentations, or personal projects, this method elevates your creative work effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with this fantastic Canva feature.